Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is heat. What we are going to learn at the end of the session is concept of heat, heat energy transfer, difference between hot and cold, how do we decide which object is hotter than the other, concept of temperature and the difference between heat and temperature. The first topic is concept of heat. Heat is a form of energy. How we can produce heat? Heat is produced either by doing work or by providing energy in some form. On rubbing the palms and on pumping air in a bicycle tube, heat is produced by doing work. On burning coal, heat is obtained from chemical energy. So finally we can conclude heat is also a form of energy. The SI unit of heat is Joule. It is denoted as J. Next, heat energy transfer. Energy is transferred from hot body to cold body when they are placed in contact. When a hot body is kept in contact with the cold body warms up and the hot body cools down. That is, the internal energy of the cold body increases and that of the hot body decreases. The energy which flows from the hot body to the cold body is called heat energy. How do we know whether an object is hot or cold? On touching, a body appears hot to us when heat energy flows from the body to our hand, while the body appears cool to us when heat energy flows from our hand to the body. Few examples: touching hot water and touching ice cubes. If we touch hot water, we feel hot because heat energy flows from hot water passes to our hand. Similarly, if we touch a cube of ice, we feel cold because heat energy from our hand passes to the cube of ice. How do we decide which object is hotter than the other? We often do it by touching the objects. In our day-to-day daily life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. Here, few objects are listed. We are going to say whether it is hot or cold. Spoon dipped in a hot tea, hot. Ice cream, cold. Handle of a frying pan, hot. How do we decide which object is hotter than the other? Take 3 large mugs. Label them as A, B, C. Put cold water in mug A and hot water in mug B. Mix some cold and hot water in mug C. Now dip your left hand in mug A and the right hand in mug B. After keeping the hands in the 2 mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. Do both the hands get the same feeling? No. My left hand tells me that the water in mug C is hot and the right hand tells me that the same water is cold. What should I conclude now? So, we cannot always depend on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. Next topic is concept of temperature. First, what is temperature? It is the measure of hotness of an object. In other words, we can say temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is denoted by the symbol K. Other most common unit of temperature is degree Celsius. To convert temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin, the formula is K equal to 273 plus degree Celsius. Now we are going to see the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is the amount of energy in a body. Temperature is the measure of the intensity of heat. Heat flows from hotter object to cooler object. Temperature rises when heated and falls when cooled. The SI unit of heat is Joule. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The other units of measurement of heat is calorie. The other units of measurement in temperature is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Measuring device for heat is calorimeter. Measuring device for temperature is thermometer. The symbol of heat is Q. The symbol of temperature is T. Answer the following questions. What is the SI unit of heat? Define temperature. What is the SI unit of temperature? What is the common unit of temperature? Do the following activity and record your observations. Refer chapter 4, Heat, page number 35 and 36. Activity 4.1 in NCERT book.